In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an interface in Airtable. If you're organizing data for a team or presenting a clean dashboard for stakeholders, editing an interface is how you turn raw tables into a clear, guided experience. I'll walk you through where to edit, how to customize it for your specific topic, and how to refine the look with sizes, colors, and overall appearance so it's ready to share. First, head to your Airtable interface section. Open the base that contains your interface, then enter the interface editor. You'll see your pages and layouts, along with the canvas where everything comes together. Take a moment to identify the goal of this interface. What questions should it answer and who is going to use it? That clarity helps you decide what to keep front and center and what can stay in the background. In the editor, you can click into any area to adjust it and use the side panels to manage settings for the page and each element you select. Keep an eye on the structure. A clean hierarchy makes navigation effortless. Now customize the interface based on your topic. If you're showcasing projects, for example, surface the views and fields people actually need, like status, owners, and deadlines, and hide the rest to reduce noise. You can rearrange sections to highlight priorities, tweak labels so they're intuitive, and fine-tune filters and sorting so viewers immediately see relevant records. As you refine, think about how someone new would experience the page. Are key actions obvious? Are terms consistent? And is the most important information visible without scrolling? Use descriptive titles and helpful descriptions to guide users and preview your changes to confirm everything behaves as expected before you share the interface with others. Finally, refine sizes, colors, and appearance. Adjust component sizes so content is readable without feeling crowded. Align elements and use consistent spacing to keep the layout tidy. Choose a color theme that supports your content rather than competing with it. Subtle contrasts and a limited palette usually work best. If you emphasize status or categories with color, make sure the contrast is accessible and pair colors with text or icons so meaning is always clear. Consider typography and density settings to match your audience. Larger, more spacious layouts help executive overviews, while denser layouts suit power users. When everything looks cohesive and balanced, you're done. That's the process. Open the interface section, tailor the content to your topic, and polish the visuals so it's easy to use and ready to share.